Yeah, your real name is Mr. Duel. Mr. Duel? To clarify, I never mad because you never give me a money. I'm mad because you try to control me and follow your rules. Who are you, by the way? I'm not like other idiot, the teacher there, that you command and she follow for the sake of money that you support with. Look at you. I believe that those of your enemy that they called you a big wallet. Disgusting. And you, mistress, huwag kang magpabida-bida. Mistress ka lang. Hindi kayong original. Mukha ka pa rin pera. Pera pa rin ang hinahabol mo. Paano mo ilaan yung pag-ibig mo? You, mistress, don't acting like an original wife. You're just a mistress. Whatever it takes, you're disparating mistress. And you don't want to cross my road because you don't know me. And you never know that kind of a person that you be with, a plenty women's that one, it's not only you. So don't act like a original. I know that you hate also in a you are a plastic. Yeah, this is to clarify this. You know it was the mistress. And then you go to the Subic and making high there. That your stupid man saying that you hate that one because of what she done into a man. Remember that? Oy, i-clarify ko lang yung taga-Subic. Nasa'yo kung magpakaloko ka dyan yung mistress na yan sa, alam mo na kung sino yan. Plastic yan. Galit yan sa'yo. Yun ang sabi ng lalaki. Sabi ng lalaki, dami daw galit sa'yo. Galit daw sa'yo yung asawa niya, yung mistress niya, galit sa'yo nang dahil sa pinagawa mo sa kanya nung una pang panahon. Nasa'yo yan. Nilagyan mo pa siya ng moderator. Huwag kang magpatanga. Huwag kang maniwala sa kanya. Kay kamandag yan na ahas. I-clarify ko lang. Ang daming mga snaking dito. It's so many snake. Snake.